So in this video, I'm going to show you guys three free ways to promote your CPA marketing links, right? So if you guys are looking for free traffic methods to promote your CPA marketing links, I'm going to give you guys 3 ways that you can promote your Max Bounty, your Cash Network, or your CPA network 100% for free with free traffic. Now, I made this video for you because a lot of times people email me or text me and they say, Alex, I don't have money for paid traffic, or I don't have money to buy a course. Can you tell me some free ways to promote my CPA offers to get conversions and to make money? Now, let me tell you a story about myself, right? So back in 2017, when I started CPA marketing, I used to promote free traffic methods, and free traffic methods, it works, but it does take time, right? It does take time and a consistent daily action. But I'm going to tell you guys 3 ways to promote your CPA marketing links to get some leads, to get some sales, and to get some money coming in, right? So check it out. Cool little bench. I decided to sit on this bench and to tell you guys how to make money with CPA marketing. If you guys don't mind, drop a comment where you guys are watching from below, right? Below this video, drop a comment where you guys are watching from. I live in New York City. So the first way to promote CPA marketing links is inside Facebook groups, right? Facebook groups based around the niche or based around the offer in which you're promoting. For example, say if you go promote like the mom niche, like the work from home mom niche, the baby diaper niche, right? And these offers are on Max Bounty or Cash Network. You can go inside, go find Facebook groups based around moms, based around couponing, and based around moms and couponing, and simply go inside the Facebook group and share information. Just share the information. You can say something like, hey, I just found out this cool blah 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 that helped me do blah blah blah. Does anybody want the information? You're not going to be selling inside the group. All you're simply doing is going to be sharing information inside the group, and let people message you, right? Let people like and comment on the post. Once they like and comment on the post, go and shoot them an inbox and shoot them over the information. Make sure when you're doing Facebook groups that the offer is make sure the offer that you're promoting, someone can actually find value from the offer, right? So go inside Max Bounty or Cash Network, find a niche based around like work from home moms, couponing, then go inside Facebook groups and join groups based around work from home moms, based around couponing, and simply go inside the group and share the information with the people. You're not selling, you're not trying to pitch them. All you're doing is sharing information with the people. The people that want the information are going to inbox you. Then you simply inbox over your CPA marketing system. I recommend you buy a .com name that matches the offer. So that's the first way, is Facebook groups. The second way is with YouTube videos. So what I do is on my second YouTube channel, I find trending videos that are trending on YouTube for certain niches. Then I go find that video or make the video myself. I upload it. I put the right tags, the right keywords, and the right description. Then I have on my other channel, I have one video that has over 50,000 views, and the video is like 30 seconds long, because I found a trending topic on Google and on YouTube. I found that video, I download it to my computer, I re-upload it to YouTube, I put the right tags, the right keywords, the right thumbnail, then I simply, that video went viral because everybody was already talking about it. I put my CPA link inside the description of the viral video. It went viral and it still makes me money to this day. So viral videos on YouTube. So you find videos that are going viral, that are trending, you find that video or you make your own video, you upload to YouTube, you put the right tags, the right keywords, the right description, a cool thumbnail. Then once the video has 1,000 views, 2,000 views, then you go and edit it. Then you go edit the video and put the CPA marketing link inside the video. So that's number 2. Viral videos on Facebook on YouTube for CPA marketing. The third way is Craigslist, inside the community section of Craigslist. So you can go to Craigslist in the community section. My hand kind of hurts, right? Go to Craigslist in the community section and post CPA marketing ads. In Craigslist, in the community section, I promote the dog niche, the diaper niche, and the inbox dollars. So in the community section of Craigslist, it's 100% free. So you can go in there, create a Craigslist account, create multiple Gmail accounts, and post your ads in the community section. This is 3 free ways, 100% free ways to promote your CPA marketing links. Now understand, with free traffic and free promotion, it's going to take time. So it's going to take time, and it's going to take hustle. But you guys can do it, because I still do it to this day, and get leads and sales with CPA marketing with the 3 things I just told you guys in this video. Facebook groups based around your niche and just sharing information. YouTube viral videos, find videos that are going viral or videos that are trending, download that video or make your own video, upload to YouTube, put the right tags, the right keywords, the right description. Once that video goes viral, then you edit the video and put the CPA marketing link inside that. Number 3 is Craigslist community section. Go to Craigslist, post in the community section, and get leads and sales that way. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to work with me one-on-one and CPA marketing, email me or shoot me a text. This information is valuable. It is not free. Do not email me, do not text me saying, Alex, can you give me this campaign? Or Alex, can you train me? And then once I see results, I'll pay you the money. Nope, it does not work like that. Invest some of your money into a course that's going to show you how to make more money. This is not free. If you guys want my information, you guys want my time, you have to invest some money into it. Peace.